Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, we will study punctuation. And in punctuation, we will be learning about capital letter. So, open up page number 16 and let's get started. Let's read the text on this page and see what this is about. In school, we had a project on transport. Miss Sadia explained it to us. She said, there are many different types of vehicles. She showed us a poster with airplanes, ships, and helicopters. Can you name any more? She asked. Fire truck and police cars, said Zishan. Ambulance, added Suleiman. Trains, shouted out two other boys together. Now we saw the highlighted letters in the text. Whenever a sentence is in speech marks, the first word must begin with the capital letter. The first letter of the first word in direct speech is always capital. Let's see it again. Can you see all the letters coming after the inverted commas are capital? So, whenever you write within an inverted comma, the first letter should always be capital. Now, let's do an activity. Can you add any more vehicles? Make a list of other vehicles and write them on a loose sheet.